Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on my channel. So today I'm gonna show you the mechanism of this rifle. So at first I take this cover off. Then you can see the whole mechanism. It's a bolt action rifle which works with a simple bolt. The bolt blocks this piece from moving upside. So if you pull the bolt back, this piece should jump in here and pulls back this little piece which blocks the mag. So to demonstrate it, this piece jumps right into. So before I shoot, I show you the mechanism of the trigger. So here you can see how the pieces move and where the rubber band is. This piece moves through this part of a magazine to this piece. I'm going a little bit more near to show you the mechanism better. Very simple, right? Yeah. And now I'm going to reload it. Oh, I forgot something. Sorry guys. I forgot that it already was loaded. So, here I go. This piece jumps in. There goes the bullet in, right? To the trigger. Pull it through, and then you pull the trigger. And you can see the bullet right there. And now it's gone. So this is how this rifle works. I hope you had fun with the video and have a nice day. Goodbye, guys.